In this quick Webflow tutorial, I'll teach you how to create a password protected page in your Webflow site. So for example, in this site, dereksoo.com.au/value, I've temporarily put a password protected page. And if I type in Big Chungus and hit submit, it will then let me into the page. Now, if I actually go back into this page and type in a different password, like just random keys on my keyboard, hit submit, it will then display an error state. Let's go ahead and build this in Webflow. First thing you need is actually a paid site account. So you can see right now, I actually have a live production website. And in order to make a password protected page, you want to go ahead and select the page by hitting page on the left-hand side, pages. You want to find the page that you want that password protected page to be at. Let's say, for example, in my home page, I can go ahead and hit this gear icon, edit page settings. Then right here where it says access control, right now it's default set to public. But if you want this to be protected, you can hit anyone with the password. Then you can go ahead and type in a password. Let's say, for example, password, because we all know that is the ultimate password. The next thing is you want to go ahead and hit save. Then you want to go ahead and publish site. And once you've published the site, it now has the password protected page. So as you can see, I'm on dereksoo.com.au. I've added this password protected page. Now, if we go back into Webflow, we can go ahead and see at the very bottom, there's actually a page called Utility Pages Password. So if I actually click into this, we can go ahead and style this page exactly however we want. So we can go ahead and change the background. We can go ahead and change the icon. We can go ahead and change anything we want to whatever design you want. And if we click into the actual password field, you'll notice this is similar to a form block. If we hit the utility page content on the left-hand side of the layer panel and we head over to settings, we can see we have different states, just like the form settings. We have a default state and a wrong password state. So you can also edit that error message. My name is Derek Soo. I'm a Sydney-based web designer and Webflow developer. I hope you guys found value in this password protected page. It's amazing to add if you want that extra layer of protection, especially when you don't want people to look at sensitive information, or you want to create a very nice gated user experience where they need a password. See you guys in the next one. Check out more of my videos right here. May peace be with you.